Well, thanks for clicking on the video. This is a 2018 Sea Ray 230 SPX. This is a brokerage boat. So as you can see, we have the Horizon color with the white, and then also the Sea Ray blue, which is that little darker blue. Great looking boat on the trailer. And as you come to the back, we've got the nice sea decking on the back. We've got the drop down swim platform. And then this also has the Bravo Three Mercury 4.5 250 horsepower engine with the Bravo Three. So great power plant for this boat. Let's go to the interior and take a look at the rest. All right, so welcome aboard. We've got the nice sun pad here in the back, so you can kind of hang out and chill. You got a couple cup holders, 12 volt in the back as well. And then with this Sea Ray, we do have a nice walk-in with the sea deck. That's a cooler on the floor right there. Nice little step down into the cockpit. So we've got wraparound seating. Got a cooler underneath there. You got the snap-in, snap-out flooring. This boat also comes with a table, and this is an onboard charger right below there as well. Co-captain's chair can sit forward with the bolster, or push it forward and it can face aft as well. Storage in the floor, nice and deep for a 23-footer. We've got the nice captain's chair right here with bolster as well. This does go forward and back, and it does swivel as well. As we come up to the helm area, you can see we have the accent lighting on, so that's blue lighting kind of all the way through the boat. We also have some courtesy lighting throughout as well. You've got your nice gauges right in there, nice simplistic bilge pump, blower, running lights, and then we do have the Rockford Fosgate, Bluetooth, and speakers throughout the boat as well. A little bit of storage right there. We've got the air dam that'll go across the boat. Then we come to the bow. Nice big bow for 23 feet. You got some storage underneath and some storage in the back. You got the anchor locker up front, lighting, cup holders. This is a great 23-foot boat, nice and deep, nice big boat to handle any type of water, really. It is on brokerage here at our Rogers location. So if you want to come see it, stop by anytime or call us to set up an appointment.